Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I'm back with another Boxycharm unboxing, and this one is for March 2021. I forget where we're at. It all kind of seems to run together. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoy Boxycharm, I do get the Boxycharm Premium, and I get this month I got the Luxe box. If you want to see that unboxing, I'll link that up above. So I do unbox 2 boxes every month, and I like to explain it as a makeup or skincare mystery box. So sometimes you get to, or all the time, you get to choose an item, and then starting next month with the premium box, which is the one I'm going to unbox right now, we're going to be able to choose 2 of the 6 items. So there'll be more, we'll be able to more customize it, which will be really nice. So this box is $35, the base box is $25, and then the Luxe box is every 3 months, and that's $49.99. So most months I get a base box and a premium box, and that's what I'll be unboxing. And then that 3rd month I'll unbox the Luxe box and the premium box. I have my co-host Mr. here who's very, very excited to see you all, and that's why he's here. He's gonna help me unbox things, right? Right? You gonna hit me? So if you enjoy makeup, you're in the right place. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Glad to have you here. So let's see what's in the box. I just cracked the seal. Oh, let's see. On my eyes today is this is from the Boxy Luxe box. This is the Barbarella by Beebeauty London, I think it is. B, like a B, B-E-E, Beebeauty. This is what it looks like. And for me so far, it's just kind of meh. You can see the look I did today. The shimmers, like I have this green on my lid today, and I used this coppery shade the other day. They're just kind of eh. They're not anything that I like. I was thinking, wow, great. I'm a person who loves my shimmer. You can give me all shimmer and just a few mattes and I'm happy. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. So like perfect for me. But a lot of the lighter shades kind of look the same. So it's kind of just a meh for me at this point. But I'll let you know in my review of the box at the end of the month, next month, whenever. And then on my lips, I just have a NARS. This is called the Afterglow Lip Balm, and this is the birthday gift. It comes with a little mini Laguna bronzer in this. So that's what I chose for my birthday gift last month. And let's crack this baby open and see what we've got. So we have our card, which the theme again for this month is lucky. And let's keep it here so we can see. Mr. gave out on us, I guess. He took off. First up here, this was my choice item, and this is the Too Faced Replenishing Face Primer. And this says it is $35. It says this revolutionary makeup primer is infused with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredients, and skin revivers that work together to boost skin radiance, promote elasticity, and help hydrate while locking down makeup for a fresher, longer, more flawless wear. So $35, and that's what it looks like. Nice size tube. I figure I could probably just wear this like as a moisturizer, even if I'm not wearing, you know, makeup, because like a lot of times I don't even wear foundation. Like I don't have foundation on again today. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So 35 bucks. Okay, next thing I see here, Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set. This says it is, oh no, where is it? I don't see. Okay, beauty, $48. Yikes. Perfect for your eye looks. This is with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. You get 4 brushes. Seem like they're a little bit shorter than most brushes, but that might be okay. $48. That's a pretty hefty price tag for some brushes. So we'll check them out and see how they work. Next up, I see this Kypress Made for Each Other Illuminator and Active Shimmer. It says it's a eye serum and primer plus a shimmer palette, and it's $145. Where do they get these prices? It says this pairing packs technology forward skincare, first illumination and shimmer. The illuminating eye serum and primer create the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the shimmer palette offers active buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for Boxycharm and is not for resale. So we have this little bottle here, and this says that this is the illuminating serum and primer. And then there's this little palette. And they're all shimmers. And it has a little mirror. Let's test some of these out. They feel really nice. I don't know who would pay $145. I guess nobody, since it's made just for Boxycharm. They don't have much punch to them for all that they are promising us. Maybe I should have put this down first. Ooh. The dropper doesn't seem to be working. I can't do this with my right arm. Yuck. The dropper's not working. This is kind of gross, actually. This does nothing. I don't know what kind of an illuminator this would be, but it's nothing there. So I think this month I may have been happier if I would have got a base box, because at least they had the Lime Crime eyeshadow palette. So far that is not looking good. That stuff was really super clumpy, and the dropper wouldn't pick up the product. And I don't see that it's, I mean, it's not illuminating my skin at all. So I don't know what, really, I'll have to like read the packaging. I don't have my glasses out here, and I don't want to put you all through that. And then another one of these stupid dose of colors. These are the worst things. These are so bad. And I just got one like a month or two ago. These are like this is the new filler item. These are horrible. They're no good. That's why no one bought them for $20. That's how much these are, $20. And I think they sent me the same shade. We're getting a little tired of repeats here, Boxycharm. This shade is Reflection. God, I can't even get it open. Could you open it for me? Yeah, I think they just sent me this shade. I'm not even gonna touch it because I don't want to ruin it if someone else would like to use it. So these are $20 each. They're the Block Party single eyeshadows. They say they're packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating ultra dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes with its own mirrored compact. I do not find that they're very shimmery at all. And then next up we have the Kiss My period. Okay, this is by Rowan Beauty, Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm, a non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. This liquid lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect, it provides a high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. $26. And this is in the shade Charlie. That sounds kind of interesting. Ooh, nice color. And I have the Dominique Lip Liner from the Luxe box on my lips today. It would probably go really nice with this. It's a nice color. Nice kind of, my kind of shade. Brown, neutral. Yes. So I like the looks of that. Smells kind of minty. It doesn't say it's plumping, so Okay, do we have anything else? One more thing. This is the IGK Prenup Instant Spray Hair Mask. High-powered in-shower treatment, performs like a traditional hair mask but works in under a minute. A multitasking mix of moisturizers, including almond oil and cacao butter, deep condition, repair, and strengthen hair, while apple cider vinegar adds dramatic shine. $32. That's kind of interesting. I've never seen this, never heard of it. It's $32. I can get IGK at like, I think Salon Centric carries it, but they're still a little pricey even with the pro discount. Some stuff is really good, you know, you get really good prices on, but other stuff, they don't offer a big discount. So let's add this bad boy up and see what we come to. $306. So 35 bucks for $306 of product. I think that the eyeshadow doohickey thing is a gimmick, and I don't, $145 is just insane. So I don't take that to really be, you know, $145. And these Dose of Colors shadow singles are worthless. So yeah. But we will test it all out. I'm really interested to see about that eyeshadow kit thing, to see what happens with it, and see, you know, if we can make it work. We'll see. We'll try to make it work, and I will update you, or you may see me wearing it in a video very, very soon. So I hope that you guys all enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell to be notified of new videos. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.